Hi, this is Dorothy Smith again for the fourth and final piece of the Moments Like These cut above either layout kit or a calendar. So these are all the pages. So there's 13 pages. So you could have the calendar or a start of a scrapbook. And I've been saying this is a great gift for either people who like to craft and you buy the kit for them and they put it together themselves, or even if you get it, and I'm grateful for you, see, for watching. I thank you. And so you could either have them do it if they're crafty, or you could do it for them. And a calendar is always a nice thing, and they can, as they take pictures through the year, they can print them out and put them on their calendar. And then they can take the pictures off of the calendar and make a scrapbook album out of it. So these are the last three, if you do a calendar, these are the last 3 months. And so this is October. And we have two 4x4 square prints, and then a 3x4 is going in between those. So nice little layout. And I'm just putting the photo holders in place. And those will all go straight across. Now I love the detail at the bottom of all the ripped paper. Of course, that's printed on, so you're not having to do any of that. So I'm just going to use my ruler on this to, they really kind of snug up. I want to make sure that I get them even going across. So that's why I'm using my ruler. But I also like the fact that there's the peacock rim around. So it looks like you've got 2 layers of background paper and then 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of fake ripped paper. And then all of the other pieces that are going to, so you have multiple, what appears to be multiple layers of paper. And the printing is such a good job that it really does look dimensional. The ripped papers really look dimensional. So super easy breezy title from a die cut. And then a little subtitle down at the bottom that says, "This is our family." And of course, you've got lots of hearts to go with it. There's quite a few hearts throughout this all these layouts. So, and I like that they have all different ones, so it's not the same. So we've got kind of sketchy ones and solid ones and little bitty and bigger. So I think this is a really nice little layout. And it's always kind of amazing to me. There's 2 strips of journaling that unfortunately you can't see, but it's going down below there. You can kind of get a peek of it over to the left-hand side. You'll see it at the end. Oh, I got this off center. What the heck was going on? Shoot. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm popping out all the flowers from the die cut and the leaves. These are real pretty leaves, and the flowers are really lovely, and I love this color. And this will be November. So very pretty. And, it looks like there's random stamping on the background page there. I just love all the thought that goes into this. Now, you've seen quite a bit of scalloping throughout all these pages. And so it's really nice to see similar elements go from one page to the next. So that kind of coordinates the whole layout to, just kind of make it like it was really meant to go together, which of course it was. But it's nice to carry elements from one page to the next. So these are two 4x4s. We're using quite a bit of 4x4s. So you just take your 4x6 and cut off an inch on one side, an inch on another, or 2 inches from one side, and you've got the 4x4. And I like that background geometric too. I like that a lot. So the title is Remember This. And I like these real blocky letters because they're real easy to work with. They have enough rigidity to themselves that they don't kind of get floppy or whatever. And this charcoal gray is used quite a bit throughout the layout also. And it really kind of stands out. So there are journaling strips that you can see I took off the carrier sheet that are at the bottom. And then we've got these gorgeous flowers. They are really, really pretty. And I like how they mixed some pinks in with the oranges. And then some kind of a peach color that kind of coordinates between the darker tones of orange and the pink. And they kind of have a watercolor look to them. And so I'm just kind of placing the flowers around, and it just makes a gorgeous spray of flowers. So I'm keeping the leaves flat, and then the flowers will be popped up. And then we've got a little spray. So the only thing that I'm doing is putting the adhesive on away from the part that goes over the images. And that's gonna stick up, that flower is gonna stick up quite a bit. And then we're gonna pop that one up. Boy, that's beautiful. So I've really enjoyed doing all of these pages. And I just think that's gorgeous. And this is a really lovely. So this already, the background already has 1, 2, 3 elements on it, and then the center part for the pictures, so 4, and then the flowers 5. So this looks like a many layered piece. So that's why they look interesting, I think, because before you even get to sticking anything down, you've got 4 layers of background. And then this kind of linen background for the mat for the picture is going to be over that kind of geometric pattern. I guess that's a geometric. I'm not sure what to call that pattern. And then we've got, so this is a atypical Christmas. I mean, there's those poinsettias kind of a range, are in the pink range, but they're beautiful, and I love the blue, because that blue is really going to blend with a lot of stuff. It's not going to get in the way of any other colors, and looks really gorgeous. Oh, those poinsettias are really beautiful. And the title, of course, is wonderful, Be Joyful. So I am going to pop up the title. And hope I put it on the right side because, anything can happen in my house. Okay, there we go. Did she pick the right side? She did. Oh my goodness. Be joyful. Well, I have something to be joyful about. I got diagnosed with stage 1B cancer. So I will be going in for some radiation, and I think that got it caught in time, and it will get taken care of. So I just want to tell you, if you have anything that is happening, if you have any lumps or bumps, or if you have anything that's coming out of a place it's not supposed to be coming out of, then you need to go get checked. And don't wait. The longer you wait, the more whatever it is can grow. And you need to take care of yourself, and you need to love yourself. Personally, my son is 25 and isn't married, and I want to be around for kids. So we will do what we need to do here. But I feel very fortunate that I got caught at stage 1B. So there's these sweet little stars that are just adding just a little pop. So they're bringing the same color, that peacock color, from the very background to the foreground to coordinate. Look at how gorgeous that is. That's gorgeous. I just think it's beautiful. So anyway, this is a great present, or it's a great present to you, because I am grateful for you. So I'm just going to go through all of the pages, since this is the last the last part of the whole moments like these. I am just going to go through all of the pages. I'm just sorting. What is half my life I spent sorting stuff. And it's always out of order. Here we go. I love that one. And see how you can see the scallops throughout? Okay, here we go. Okay, so here is the instructions for the cut above moments like these. And here is, if you get the calendar kit, you get the base calendar, and you can get it with or without the stamp. And you can stamp those things for a holiday or appointment in your calendar, and you get a whole sheet of stickers to put the numbers down. So fortunately, you don't have to stamp the numbers. And then there are all the pages that we just did. And here it is. 2021, come on. Okay, so you see you've got scallops here. And then there's some scallops around the heart. And you've got the peacock there, and a lot of peacock colors here with that wonderful green and kind of goldish yellow. Better get my colors right. And then there's April. And then this one would be, if you did a calendar, that would be May. So you put your Mother's Day pictures there. And so as you continue on, there's some more scallops and some more peacock. And I thought I was missing something there. As it turns out, a picture can go there. And so here I am pulling that off. And I tried putting a 4x4, but that took up the whole thing. So it's too big for that. It covers up the whole background. So instead of doing that, I'm going to put a 3x3 there. Now you could put a 3x4. I'm not really sure what's supposed to go there. And then I'm placing these back on. Take some of the stickum off where it would go over the picture. And it's kind of curled up, but that'll be laying in in a page protector so it'll lay flat. So I'm not too worried about that. Okay, so this is June for Bright and Happy. And then we've got July with the fireworks. So cute and patriotic. And then August, the summer pictures. And then this would be September, moments like these, which is just beautiful. See the grays and the scallops in there? See, it just carries from one to the other. And there we've got the November with that gorgeous spray of flowers and the beautiful December. So there we go. I love this kit. It'll be available until December 31st or until supplies last. So go to dorothy.ctmh.com and you can purchase this kit. Thanks for watching. Bye now.